Welcome to Modern Living with Kat. Today I am in 19 Rue des Fossés Saint-Jacques on the beautiful and iconic Place de l'Estropade. This property is listed with Miranda Genowitz of Paris Property Group for €795,000. It is en deux pièces, which means it is a living space with one bedroom. There's also a beautiful bathroom. This apartment has been completely redone, so it has gorgeous parquet floors. They're not original, they're recently redone. The kitchen is all redone, even the electrical, the walls, everything, which is very rare for Paris to have this level of renovation. Everything is modern, and you are in one of the most desirable locations in Paris. It's a neighborhood that's still very French. You have the Sorbonne just down the street, the Panthéon. You're walking distance to Shakespeare and Company, very close to Notre Dame Cathedral, and all of the big universities in Paris are all in this neighborhood. So an absolutely gorgeous location, prime in the heart of Paris for under €1 million. This also has very low monthly association fees of €160 per month. They're working on a big courtyard project in the building, which is currently under construction and has already been paid for. So it's a perfect turnkey pied-à-terre, and it's even available furnished if you want to negotiate that. So for more information, please reach out to myself or Paris Property Group, and please be sure to like, follow, and comment below.